Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. Yes, the mad dog. So, had a fantastic day at York. Yeah, brilliant. Really enjoyed it. We did go to the Railway Museum. That'll be another video on itself. But we went shopping inside York. Lovely place to be. Lots of tourists as well. Absolutely lovely place. Lots to see. So we bought some kits. Warhammer. Yes. Search very much. So I bought 3 kits. So we'll show you the kits. I'm not going to unbox them. We'll just show you what I bought. So we'll go down camera. Okay, so the first kit I bought went to a place called Travelling Man, actually inside the city centre where all the Harry Potter world is and everything else. So I bought this one, Age of Sigmar, Caradon Overlord's Grundstock Gun Hauler. Really took my eye. So lovely box art on that. So some really nice colours, highly detailed too. So give you little butchers on the back. It's got some nice detail on this. Comes with a stand as well. So this, being it's Age of Sigmar, as you know, I've built a load of Age of Sigmar figures. So what I'm going to do, when I built it, put it on its stand, and do the little dio on the stand, and I'm going to put, excuse me, 2 or 3 Age of Sigmar figures on it. So yeah, but as you can see, there's quite a lot of detail in there from these pictures. Hope you can see okay. Lots of good illustration there. Nice, beautiful colours, like a purple, gold, copper, you name it. It's absolutely brilliant. I do like this. So I shall be looking forward to building this one. So like I say, I shall put some of my Age of Sigmar figures on it, on the actual dio bottom. As you know, I do like to do that. So that was the first kit we bought. So like I say, I'm not going to do the unboxings. I shall leave them from another stream or video. So that was the first one we bought. Second one we bought was this Warhammer 40k adapter Sororitas Immolator Warhammer tank. Now, if anybody in the comments, and I get this wrong, please correct me. I think this is from Chaos Space Marines, this one, because of the way it's built and also its colour. You've got a nice like church thing here, which is very nice. You've got like an angel with the bugle thing, but he's got a skull head. Got the wings as well. Lots of other detail, but I do like the look. Just look at this detail. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm really looking forward to building this one as well. Do like this crest on here. Absolutely amazing it is. So I'll turn the box round and you can see even better. That's absolutely amazing, isn't it? All that detail. Now I know a YouTuber called Dave Mack has built this, so I'm hoping he's going to give me some tips and if there's any kind of bad parts or tricky parts. They put me right with it. But like I say, it's absolutely cram-packed full of detail. So if anybody else has built this emulator, let me know in the comments and let me know how it went when you built it. So that'll be another one I'm looking forward to building. So I bought both of those kits from Travelling Man. So if you're in York, you go to York, please look this place up called the Travelling Man. It's absolutely cram-packed upstairs with Warhammer. Absolutely cram-packed with it. Never seen so many Warhammer kits. So yeah, it's a place to go. The third one I bought, Little History has always mentioned that there's a place called Boys in York. So we managed to find it, me and my son, because my son took me to York, took me for the day out, as an early birthday present. So we found a shop and we went in there, and there's quite a lot of Warhammer in there, and also it's cram-packed with paints, Citadel paints, Baudelaire, AK, you name it, it's got everything in there. So if you're in York, give this place a visit called Boys. It's quite a big shop. It's not just a Warhammer shop, it does everything. So yeah, so this one is the Drunker Raider. See, I butchered that name already. So this always reminds me of Jabba the Hutt's barge, in a way. This is very, very highly detailed as well. So it's quite big. I've actually opened this box, because when you buy them, there's only the boxes on the shelf, and then you have to go to the till, and then they take the box away and put the contents in it. I've checked the contents, make sure it was all there. So turn the box over, and this is the kind of detail you get. Try not to get this price tag in there. So yeah, so it's got plenty of detail. So, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures, as I can see on it. And so yeah, looking forward to building this one too. So there's other bits of detail that you can see. Not sure how clear it is on the camera, but yeah, I should be looking forward to building this one as well. You get a weapon variant with it as well, so you get a choice of weapons according to this. Lots of detail. So that is the Drunker Raider Warhammer 40k. So that will be another one to collection to my stash. These are the only 3 that I bought. So yeah, and I bought my daughter a gift back too. So yeah. So we'll go back cameras up. Try not to mess this up. Right. So that is what I bought from York today. Very enjoyable. I really loved the day out. It was very nice. So like I said, we did go to the Railway Museum. I didn't do any videos, so I just took a few pictures. So I should do another video on that. So I've got to get everything off my tablet and load it up to my computer and do a video of that. So it's a very enjoyable place. Unfortunately, only half the place was open. The other part of it, where all the other trains are, I believe, are all under refurbishment. I think they're doing something to the building, so they closed it off, and it reopens on the 25th of September. So we are going to go back to York late September, midway through October. So I'll be looking forward to that. You never know, might buy more Warhammer, but never went to the actual Warhammer shop itself there, so I couldn't find that. So yeah, it was very busy. Lots, shoulder to shoulder with people. Yeah, it was a very, very busy place. Lots of tourists. So I hope you liked the video. Thought I'd give you a show what I bought, these 3 kits. So bargain prices really. I mean, I think I only spent about £130 odd for all 3 kits, so that's a pretty decent price. But if you go to York, look these places up. One is called the Travelling Man, and also Boys. Highly recommend them. So if you go to York for a visit and you're into Warhammer, give these places a visit. So I shall be back on Monday at some point, back on with the Razorback, and we will see you then. So it's ta-ta for now from Lindsay's Builds. See you all soon. Bye bye for now.